Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling two-sided printing on Mac OS. This will work on MacBooks, iMacs and any other Apple computer running on Mac OS, providing that you have a printer that allows it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the document you want to print. Press Command and P on your keyboard to open the print settings, or click File and then choose Print. From the printing page, click on Show Details. Where it says Preview, click it and then choose Layout. The two-sided option will appear here. If the option is grayed out, like mine is, it means your printer doesn't support it. But if it does, turn the setting on and then you can edit some more options or start printing right away. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.